Welcome to Shopify Learner.
Hello friends, welcome to Shopify Learner. In our many last videos, most of our viewers complained that our thumbnail is in English, but we cannot make videos in English. So this video is especially for those viewers who can want our videos in English. So let's start. Before starting, I must tell you that please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get our latest videos. Today I tell you how to create a store on Shopify premium theme Turbo. So we take example of one site which is created on Turbo. Today I tell you how to create your store like on this font. So let's start. First of all, we have to open the home of Shopify. Now we go to online store. In the online store there is a theme section. In the theme section we already uploaded the premium theme Turbo. First of all, I tell you how to upload a premium theme Turbo on your Shopify store. So you just click on upload theme and choose file. So in your computer, if you have Turbo theme, you select it and open it. After open it, you have to hit the upload file, then it will be uploaded on your Shopify store. After uploading the Turbo theme, we have go to customize it. So friends, the Turbo theme is in front of us. So now we make the exact copy of this site on this draft Turbo theme. So I already copy all the photos of this site. Now we place one by one photo and I tell you how to design this exact Turbo theme copy on your Turbo Shopify store. So let's start. First of all, we go to header section and make our header section exactly like that site which name Lavishly Plush. Friend, you can see that there is an announcement bar first of all. Second, there is a second menu. Now the first menu, the logo is in center, the pages section and the search bar section. So we first make our site exactly like this. In the header section, we have already announcement bar, second menu, then the first menu. You can also select any logo. We can select our logo Shopify Learner. Now we can minimize our logo display width. It's too big, so we can make it smaller. Already we selected the main menu. This theme main menu is different. We can design it according to our store. In the header section there is a layout option, so you can adjust your menu and logo in this way so it looks great. Menu position is in line with logo top padding, so we decrease it, and menu top padding, so we increase the main menu top padding so it will be in line with logo. In this way we can inline with logo with menu, so you can save it. So our header setting will be saved. We can remove the divider section and save it and refresh it. If you want to use the sticky header and logo over the slideshow, we can remove the fixed sticky header and in the theme setting enable the solid menu background, so our header will be exactly like this store. So you can see our header will be exactly like this store which name Lavishly Plush. Now you can move to slideshow section, so you can make our slideshow exactly like that store. So we go to slideshow option, we go to slide and select image, we go to upload option. I already copy all the photos of this store on my desktop, so you can select the first photo. Now you can see there is a box and inside it there is a text and other buttons, so you can make our slideshow exactly like that. So you go to slideshow option. First of all, there is a pre-heading. It is written by the Home of Fashion, so you can type the Home of Fashion. Heading is a store name, so you can write Shopify Learner, and the next is shop now for getting the latest discount. You can also add other text. And after there is a 2 button option. Here it is written lavish tops and lavish bottoms. So first of all we write lavish tops and the lavish bottoms. As you see, there is a transparent button, so we can also make our buttons transparent. We can remove the highlight first button, so the option will be removed, and we can make our first slideshow exactly like this store. Now we can move to second picture. We can select the second image. As we can select it, so you can replace the text in the same way as we replace the text in the first slide. So it will help you a lot to create your store on the Turbo Shopify Premium theme. Now you can move to the next section. So kindly watch the next part of the video to learn how to edit the next section of the Turbo Shopify Premium theme. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz. Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. welcome to the second part of Turbo Shopify Premium theme. In our first video, I can tell you that how to customize the slideshow of Turbo Shopify theme and the header of the Turbo Shopify theme. In the second video, we can move to the next section without wasting our time. So the next section of our video is the rich text with image. So I tell you how to customize the rich text with image. As you can see that in this store he can place his logo and there is little description about his store and with the button. So you can make the rich text exactly like that. Just to make it, we just copy and place it in the text section of rich text section, and you can see that there is description appearing here which is same at that store. Now we can remove the heading. As he can use his logo, we can also use our store logo, Shopify Learner. As you see, the logo is too big, so you can also change the logo. As I already copy the image of logo, so you can also use that store logo. As you see, there is a lavishly plush with a description appearing here, and how to customize the button. I can also tell you that when you move at the bottom in the rich text and image section, there is a button label. As you can use shop now to get the discount on all products, you can also write the same text on it. We just copy for the convenience. As you see, it can appears here. We can also remove the slideshow which cannot use in our video. So you just go to the slide image and click on the remove content. As you see, our font will be exactly like that. We can edit the two sections of Turbo Shopify Premium theme, rich text and image, and also the slideshow. Now we can move to the next section of that store which we can copy, is that image with text section. So first of all, we can add the image with text section. We just click on the add section, and in the add section we can go to the image, and here we can find the image with text. So as you can see that there is a two option in the image with text. First of all, the image at the left position and the text at the right position, and in the same way when we go to the bottom, the image in the right position and the text in the left position. So if you want to remove another text with image, you can simply go to this section and click on the remove content. Now you can see we have only one image and one text block, so we have to make exactly like that. So I already copy the image of that store. How you can copy the images is simply left click on the image and copy image, or save image into your PC at different locations. Now we go to image with text section. We click on the your headline, select image, upload, and click on that pic which we want. as we save on our PC. Now you can replace the text with that store, which is lavish tops, and the description store. As simply here is the view all button. There is also view all button. So you simply connect this button with any of the links you want. Means you want to connect it with some of the collections. So here we baby collection, so you connect it with the baby collections. Now we can move to our next section, which is on that store, and that is same image with text, image at the right position and the text at the left position. So you simply add section image with text. Now that time we can remove the first section of this content. And now we have the image at the right side. So you can simply do the same as we do above. So you can upload the picture. Hence we can upload the picture. Now we can simply copy the text and place it in the text section. Now we can simply write here lavish sets. Now we can complete our 4 section: slideshow, read text with image, and image with text section. Now we can move to our next section, which is also image with text. Simply you can do the same as we do above. Remove the second one. Simply go to it, select image, upload, and we select that picture we want. As select the image, click OK. Now simply copy paste the thing you want. Or you can also write your heading, means you want to sell some shoes, some dresses, and some other kind of accessories. So you can write the heading on this section. Simply copy this and put it into the text section. Here is a view all button. Simply connect it with anything you want: collection, product pages, products, a single product, or some other thing. Now our second section is the image with text overlay on it. We simply go to the add section, select image with text overlay, and just click on add. After clicking add, this can open a section. If you can go back and want to go in again, then simply click on your headline. Now you can place the same image as used by this store. As you can see, the image appears. Now you can select, simply copy paste, as it is written lavish. Hello friends, welcome to Shopify Learner. Turbo Shopify Premium Theme Part 3. In our last part, we can end the video on image with text overlay section. So we can start our video with the same section. We can open our Shopify home. As you can see, we can add the picture in our last video. So we can just add text in this section. We add our store name, Shopify Learner. In pre-heading, in your heading, you can add anything such as I can sell the shoes. In text, you can tell about your brand. As you can see, there is a background behind the text, so you can also add background. Just simply click on display solid background. There you can see there is solid background appear, and if you want to make it transparent, then click on enable transparent background transparency. Hence you can see the background will become transparent. Now you can just add the buttons such as shop now. You can add collection baby into it, and second button you can want to use it as a view all products button, so you can adjust it at all products section. As you can see, we can also add the image with text overlay section in Turbo Shopify Premium Theme. Now our next section is newsletter. How to edit the newsletter in Turbo Shopify Premium Theme. Just go back and click on the add section. After clicking on add section, we can go to the promotional content and select the newsletter and simply click add on it. As you can see, in this newsletter the first name, last name and email address appears. So you can also select the show first name, show last name button, so it can appears here. Now they can also give us the image behind the newsletter, so you can simply upload the image for the newsletter section. Just click on the news. I already copied the images, so that's why it will be easier for me. If you want to copy all that store, then you also go to the same site and copy all the images as you want to. Like, you can also use your images as your product images. As you see, we can make exactly newsletter section like that. As you see, we can complete most of our work. Now our next section is the footer. In this section, I can tell you how to add the logo in the footer section in Turbo Shopify Premium Theme menu, followers, and also the newsletter in footer section. We just move to the footer section. If you want to show the payment method icon, simply click on it and click save. As you see, in the footer section they can give us the option of add content. So you can see they can allow us to add the empty column, text, page, menu, newsletter and logo in the footer section. So first of all, we move toward the logo section. In the logo section, you can put your logo, as this store put his logo in his footer section. We can select images. I can select the same store logo, but you look, it will be black. So you can use we can also use our store logo. It will be Shopify Learner. In the same way, the menu you can add in. You want to add the menu which you want, so you can simply change the menu such as if you want to show the main menu in the footer section, you can click on the main menu. As you see, main menu appear here. The second section is text section. If you want to use the text, simply add on the text section. Text appear. You can also talk about your brand and your story, your success story. If you want to show the social media footer icons behind the text, you can also use it. We can just remove it, and in place of title we can write follow us on, and the links you want, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. You can also add the other links. Simply go click on the theme setting. Here you can place your Twitter link, Facebook, Google link, YouTube, Vimeo, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat and also your email address. So friends, in this video I tell you how to add the image with text overlay section and how to edit the newsletter section, and also the footer section, how to add the logo in the footer section, main menu and also a text with your brand name, how to add the links in the footer section. So with this our video is completed, the Turbo Shopify premium theme. So you can easily design your Turbo Shopify premium theme on your Shopify store. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so you get the latest news and videos of our channel. Thank you.